Hello students, this is part of the derivative classes and today we are going to see options, problems and options. Okay, so the problem is given in the slide. Now the question is we have to calculate, we have to find out whether the option is in the money, at the money, in the money is ITM, at the money is ATM or OTM. OTM is out of money option. Okay. So 6 options are given, we have to find out whether it is ATM, ITM or OTM. See, first one is call option. Stock price is 58, exercise price is 55. Stock price 58, exercise price 55. So when stock price is above exercise price, in the case of call option, it means the option has life. The stock is having intrinsic, the stock option is having intrinsic value. Intrinsic value of 3 rupees is there. So it is called as in the money option. Okay, there is life in the option. So it is, first one is, answer will be ITM. There is life in the option, so we call it as ITM. Second case, call is 40, exercise strike price is 40, stock price is 40, exercise price or strike price is 40. When strike price and exercise price both are same, we call, because a small change will lead to either out of money or at the money. Okay. So this point is called as at the money option. Okay, so it is ATM, at the money option. Okay, and third one, put. Stock price is 112, exercise price is 100. See, you will be knowing put will get its value when the price falls, price is coming down. See here, exercise price is 100, share price is 112. It means only if the stock price comes below 100, there will be value for the option. Now the option is not having any intrinsic value. Okay, only time value will be there. So we call this as out of money option or OTM. Okay. Then fourth case, the share price is 104, exercise price is 110. Again it is a put. For put, I told you, the share price should be lower than the exercise price. So in this case, share price is lower than the exercise price. So it is in the money option. There is value for the option. And the fifth case is again put. See, share price is lower than the exercise price. So it is again in the money option. Always remember, when the share price is higher, there will be value for the call option. When the share price is lower, there will be value for the put option. And the final one, share price is 32, exercise price is 35. It has no value because exercise price is higher, share price is lower, and it is a call. So it is again out of money option. Okay. So let us see the next problem.